how to add height on Tinder profile. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add height on Tinder profile, so please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And don't forget, you're going to be able to find the Tinder sign up link and website link in the description of this video. So I'm going into my Tinder account, and once you have logged in here, you're going to be able to find your profile at the bottom of the screen in the fifth option. So there, my profile is around 55%. I'm going to click on the pencil on the pen to edit, and there you're going to find your data. There is a data that says height, so you must place it here. It's on feet and inches. Okay, you can change it into centimeters, whatever you want. Okay, so you must I guess to add the point here. Let me guess. No, just the total of centimeters. Click on the check symbol, and in that way you have added the height on your Tinder profile. Thanks for watching.